Hey brother and sister, today we are going to see the one of the top game between the Ian Apache from the Russia and the Arjun Erigashi from the India's. देखते हैं how do they tackle and idea with in the match to take over the dominate in the chess games. Okay, so Ian Apache start with the e4 to be the very common, e5 is the very common moves to control in the center, and let's make the sense by the way because it's all we know about that. Knight f3, knight c6, then he plays the Spanish opening, it's known as web books. Then we have the opening moves, and now he play the knight c3 with his the best move. Knight sorry, bishop e6 to trade off the bishop with the excellent moves, but Jan Nepomuk don't accept the trade. He just played the bishop g5 to attack to make the pressure on the knight on f6. Now next Arjun Erigaisi make the castle, which is the best move in the position. He takes backs and play the best move. The control over the main dominant center. This knight is so beast in the center, and Arjun Erigaisi is slightly inaccuracy moves. Maybe his ideas to open this diagonal for queen and rooks to take over the file, but according to engine this made slightly inaccurate. By the way, just take back, and again Ian Napucci now doing the inaccuracy moves. He just play the rook b2 b1 sorry. See, maybe his idea to protect that pawn. Also now after he just push the pawn, he have to make the control on this file, so that he play the rook b1s. Now by the Arjun Erigaisi, rook c8 to mainly control this file, and now he just make the attack on the center. We can see the perspective from the black. He have the idea to, now we just have idea is bishop knight is so developed, and now their bishop is now ready to come back and just control over the center. Okay, so now just play the excellent. That's maybe slightly inaccuracy move to back, but I think we all know about the Arjun Erigaisi's mind to mainly dominate in the center, so just play the back. So he just now he go for the further attack. He just take the bishop, which is in slightly inaccuracy. By the way, this is the good best move to protect, make the chain, and also protect this is loose square. But by the way, just he play the knight x f7, which is not good, but then he just played the all of the best movie which is required in these positions. Now he is taking the control on d5. So you are playing the chess, you must have three option in here. You have to do first, you have control and make the center dominate in the center, control the files and develop the pieces, so you maybe attack very well. That's the whole idea of the chess. First also, then you have the all on your tactics, how do you attack, how do you respond about that. Now h6 is the move, bishop or queen e2, queen c4 trading over the queen. Ian Napucci is not accepted the queen trade. He just played the rook c3 sorry d3, then rook c e8 we have from the Arjun Erigaisi. Okay, doubling the rook on this file, so that he make the control on these files. He just played the excellent moves. How we can see the excellent, he just find it's excellent. By the way, if you just take the, he can push this, and then there is the two attack, then a fork by the way, and he not take it because queen is defending that one. This is why this is excellent move. Now that's the great move by the way. This is the tactful to attack the queen, and also just played that, and maybe he just control over the rule here. Yeah, Just play takes. He just played the great move, and again so we have the great move by the Arjuna Rigesi. Oh, this I think there is three great move in the row and one great move after the two moves. That's best move. Here the normals, all the logic moves which is played in that positions. Knight. Okay, so there is a rook trade again. Is why that scene is accuracy. She just best move. Now this slightly inaccuracy. This does not make the so many kind of game imbalance. That's easy. That's and here we got all the end game, and he just rule means he just he just great move by the way. And now we see there is the only just played the move their queen to the different square for the further attack, but they don't find any kind of blunder. They don't find any kind of that's their repetition and see the draw. There is the three repetitions and the draw. So for the games we see that in this position most of the players is not about how to handle in this case of position. Most of the players just trade. That's if we just trade, that's the mistake because he just knight take control the over center. He just push and black is so good now. And if you just not have the control in the while is played that the knight is also on the attacker. So that's why queen trade is not a brilliant move. And by the way, they are played with the both 97.5 accuracy of Yanaguchi and 97.7 accuracy of Arjuna Legacy. They play the very well. So I hope you like it. And if you want all more kind of videos for the game review of the top grandmasters, you maybe follow this channel's Night Visionary. Thank you so much.